Every day, welders in various industries use high temperatures to shape metal. Sometimes the metal is bonded together, other times it's cut apart. Over the years, engineers have developed a variety of methods for welding. The combination of a spark, oxygen, and a flammable gas provide the energy for oxy-fuel cutting, welding, and brazing. High-voltage electricity, whether it's alone or used in tandem with various gases, powers arc welding. The first thing to do is to inspect your equipment. When you're working with an oxy-fuel unit, make sure your torch has the right tip for the job at hand. Examine the cylinder valves and fittings. These must be clean and clear before you connect the torch and hoses. Once everything's set up, apply a soap solution to check for gas leaks. Some problems can be solved by simply tightening the connection. Arc welding units also need to be checked out. Inspect the frame of the generator for proper grounding. Make sure the work lead and electrode lead are properly connected. And don't forget to examine cables for damaged insulation or bare conductors. If left unrepaired, these can cause a severe shock. The powerful ultraviolet and infrared light produced during welding operations is one of the first things people remember about welding. Unfortunately, this light can be extremely hazardous. If left unprotected, your eyes can suffer problems like the short-term discomfort of welder's flash. More serious injuries like burns to the retina can permanently damage your eyesight and may even cause blindness. Goggles fitted with specially tinted lenses must be worn during oxy-fuel cutting, welding, and brazing. These special lenses block hazardous light and help shield your eyes from molten spatter.